I'm Yatharth Kelkar, a coder, web developer, and tech enthusiast. Here on this channel, you will find everything about coding, open source projects, Linux, web development, and much more. Today, I'm kicking off a new brand series where I'll guide you through everything you need to know about Linux, starting with how to install Ubuntu step by step, whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer. This series will help you set up your system for coding, work, personal use, and everything in between. So if you're excited, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to stay updated. Now let's get started. So first, in order to install Ubuntu on your computer, you have to download the ISO image and burn it onto a pen drive. Make sure the pen drive is of minimum 4 GB. So let's get started. So first you have to go to https dot slash slash www.linux.org slash pages slash download slash. I'll share the link in the description box so that you can easily go to the page. Go to this link and then you will see some page like this 24 popular Linux distributions. So you will find like around 24, 25 of them on this page. And over here, the first option will be Ubuntu. So we don't really have to go on the onto the others like CentOS, Debian, Fedora, Arc, Ubuntu, Mint, Slackware, Red Hat, etc., etc. You just have to press on this download Ubuntu. Once you press on the download Ubuntu button, you will come to such a page. So on this page, the first option will be desktop. So you have to press on download Ubuntu desktop. Just press on it, and now we'll come to the second page where the ISO image can be downloaded. Now there are two types of options. One is the 24.10 and one is the 24.04 LTS. Now this depends upon you. You can read the notes of the the installer notes, so that you'll understand like your system requirements, and you will also understand which one is suitable for you. But the major difference between LTS and the normal one is that the LTS stands for long term services, and this will help you guys to get more updates at a long term basis, and the next update will be probably after 2 years or so, while the 24.10 without the LTS basically means that you will get updates on frequent basis, but the service won't be long term. It will be for a couple of 1 or 2 years, but for the LTS it will be for more than 4 or 5 years. So for now, the installation will not really change. The installation guide will not change. So you can click on any one of them. For now, for this video sake, I'm pressing on download 24.04.2 LTS. You can do the same. Just press on download. Perfect. Now the ISO image will start getting downloaded. You just sometimes might get this glitch. It's on my laptop. Sorry for this. Happens sometimes. But my Ubuntu image is getting downloaded for some glitch reason. It's just, yeah, perfect. Now you'll just have to wait till it gets downloaded, but we'll not waste this time, and instead we'll go on to a new tab and download Belina Etcher. You can also download Rufus, but I'm downloading Etcher since I have personal experience with this. Now we will select download Etcher. Now you can download the Etcher for Windows, Mac OS, Linux, anything. I'm using Windows, so I'll just download this. So this Balena Etcher is basically helping us to burn the ISO image onto our pen drive. You can also use some other OS burner, which can be Rufus. Rufus is also a good option, but Balena Etcher I have used. Now, a Balena Etcher is downloaded. The Ubuntu ISO image is still not downloaded. It will take another couple of minutes. So let's just set the Balena Etcher up. Just press open file. Give it a moment or two to load up. Perfect. It is loading up. If you spam on it, it will come to this page. You have to wait patiently for the first time. Yes, now it is getting on, because it will take some time to install the packets. Yeah, perfect. It has opened for me over here. Now you don't really have to worry about what all this stuff is. I will just explain it once my ISO image is downloaded. Perfect. My ISO image is also downloaded. Firstly, you have to, like I had told previously, you have to take your 4 GB pen drive and insert it into your computer. I have taken my 4 GB pen drive, and make sure that there is no important files or documents on this pen drive, as after the uh, after the burning, all the important documents will be formatted. In fact, before the burning. Now, since our pen drive is inserted and the ISO image is downloaded, let's start. So, since you have downloaded the ISO image, you won't flash from URL or clone drive. I'll make a separate video for it if you want. Currently, we'll just go here, type Galena Edgeworth. Perfect flash from file. Perfect. Now you can see it has been ready to flash. Now select target. Now my target will be, hold up, let me insert my pen drive. Give me a minute. So yeah, generally everything will work fine. If there is any issue, some particular issue, you can check it out. Like maybe you can use Google or something to help you out. If you have any other issues, you can also put it in the comment box. I'll try and answer it. Okay, my pen drive has still not been recognized, so let's just start Bali Nature once again. This is sometimes a problem when downloading ISO images, flash and file, Ubuntu. Okay, let me check what's the issue. I'm extremely sorry for this problem. Looks like my pen drive is not recognized or something. Beep. Target. This is the name of my pen drive. Your name, or either your pen drive's name will be different, or it also might be the same. Just select it and press the flash button. Now it will take a couple of minutes to flash, and it will ask you a question. Do you want to allow this app to make changes on your device? Press yes, and it will continue flashing. First, it will just flash, then it will start validating it. Boom.